Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can actually use CapCut effects that people are using on their videos on TikTok. So like if you upload a video from CapCut to TikTok and you're using effects, it will actually show you what effects they use. So as you can see on this video, it says CapCut fantastic visual effects. Maybe if you can't see it here, you can like search like CapCut effects and hopefully this will show up, but you're just basically going to press the CapCut effect here and you're going to select open CapCut, and it says effects used in this video and it says halo blur, and this will show up. So you can just select try it now or press collect, which means you're going to save it to use later. I'm just going to test and select try it now and just open up a video and select add, and it will add the effect to your video. How cool is that? I just knew that this existed. Usually I can only see like templates on TikTok, but apparently now you can also see effects as well. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!